What to say when you talk to yourself for entrepreneurs and leaders. Introduction, the power of self-talk. Welcome, entrepreneurs, visionaries, and leaders. Today, we dive into the transformative concepts from Shad Helmstetter's classic book, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, and explore how these principles can help you grow not only as an entrepreneur, but as a leader who is grounded, centered, and prepared to navigate the challenges of building a thriving company. Helmstetter's work centers around one powerful truth. The words we say to ourselves shape our reality. For entrepreneurs, this principle can be a game changer. By mastering your inner dialogue, you can fuel innovation, maintain focus under pressure, and inspire your team to succeed, even during the most challenging times. Let's break down the core concepts of the book and map them onto the entrepreneurial journey. Part one, the problem, negative programming. Helmstetter begins by explaining how much of our self-talk is influenced by past conditioning. By the time we reach adulthood, we've internalized countless negative messages. You're not good enough. What if you fail? Or this is too risky. These subconscious beliefs act as hidden saboteurs, especially for entrepreneurs. Think about the last time you faced a major setback in your business, a failed product launch, a big client backing out, or cash flow issues. What did your inner voice say? For many of us, it defaults to doubt and fear. The key concept here is that negative programming is like a virus in your mental software. It runs in the background, limiting your potential and shaping your decisions. To build a thriving business, you must first rewrite these scripts. Every time you tell yourself, this won't work, you're reinforcing failure. But by consciously reprogramming your mind, you replace self-doubt with self-belief. Part two, the solution, positive self-talk. Helmstetter's solution is deliberate, structured, positive self-talk. He argues that you can rewire your brain by feeding it consistent, empowering messages. This process involves 3 steps: awareness, recognize the negative self-talk running through your mind; replacement, create positive affirmations that counter these negative beliefs; repetition, repeat these affirmations until they become your new internal narrative. Key takeaway: your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between truth and belief. It accepts what you consistently tell it. Entrepreneurial application. Imagine you're preparing to pitch to investors. Instead of thinking, what if they say no? Replace that with, I am confident and articulate. My vision is compelling and they will see its value. Repeat this daily leading up to your pitch, visualizing the desired outcome. Part three, 5 levels of self-talk. Helmstetter identifies 5 levels of self-talk. Let's break these down and relate them to the entrepreneurial mindset. Level 1, negative acceptance. I can't do this. This is the inner critic that paralyzes action, yet it's what holds you back from taking risks, launching new products, or scaling your company. Action step: write down your most common negative thoughts about your life and business and consciously counteract them with positive alternatives. Level 2, recognition and need to change. I should do this, but here you recognize the need for change, but feel stuck. Many entrepreneurs get stuck here, procrastinating on key decisions. Action step: move from I should to I will. Replace I should increase revenue with I am creating a plan to increase revenue by 20% this quarter. Level 3, decision to change, and I will do this. This is the tipping point where you commit to growth. It's where real transformation begins. Action step: commit to one area of improvement for your business this week and take one concrete action to move forward. Level 4, positive belief. Ooh, I am successful. At this level, you internalize success as a part of your identity. You're not just trying to be a great leader, you are a great leader. Action step: create a morning mantra that reinforces your identity as a successful entrepreneur. For example, I am a decisive, innovative leader who inspires my team to greatness. Level 5, universal affirmation. It is. This is the ultimate level of self-talk where your beliefs align seamlessly with your reality. It's a state of flow where doubt is a distant memory. Action step. Practice gratitude daily. Recognize the progress you've made and the opportunities ahead. Gratitude keeps you aligned with the positive outcomes you're manifesting. Part 4, the entrepreneurial journey, reprogramming for success. Entrepreneurs face unique challenges, uncertainty, financial pressures, and the responsibility of leading teams. Harnessing positive self-talk can help you stay grounded and resilient. Here are some specific ways to apply Helmstetter's principles to your journey. Overcoming fear of failure. Replace, what if I fail? With every failure is a stepping stone to success. I learn and grow stronger with each challenge. Action step. Create a failure journal where you document lessons learned from setbacks. This reframes failure as progress. Navigating uncertainty. Replace, I don't know if this will work, with I trust my ability to adapt and find solutions. Uncertainty is an opportunity to innovate. Action step. Develop a mental rehearsal practice. Visualize yourself thriving despite uncertainty, reinforcing your confidence, inspiring your team. Replace, what if my team loses faith in me? With, I am a confident, compassionate leader. My vision inspires and empowers my team. Action step. Share affirmations with your team. Encourage a culture of positive self-talk to build collective resilience. Part 5, building a positive mental framework for leadership. As a leader, your self-talk doesn't just affect you, it ripples out to your team. If you're grounded and centered, you'll create an environment of trust and collaboration. Here's how you can integrate positive self-talk into your leadership style. Daily affirmation practice. Start each day with affirmations tailored to your leadership goals. For example, I lead with clarity and conviction. My team is aligned, motivated, and successful. Model positive language. Your team takes cues from you. Use constructive language during meetings and one-on-ones instead of focusing on problems. Emphasize solutions and opportunities. Encourage team self-talk. Teach your team about positive self-talk. Share Helmstetter's concepts and encourage them to adopt affirmations for their roles. Center yourself during challenges. During high-pressure moments, use self-talk to stay grounded. Repeat, I am calm, capable, and in control. Part 6, key takeaways for entrepreneurs. Self-talk shapes reality. The words you say to yourself determine your mindset, decisions, and outcomes. Choose them wisely. Reprogram with repetition. Consistency is key. Repeat affirmations daily to create lasting change. Focus on identity. Frame affirmations around who you are becoming, not just what you want to achieve. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, fueling positive momentum. Lead by example. Your mindset sets the tone for your team. Stay centered, optimistic, and solution-focused. Final thoughts. Shad Helmstetter's What to Say When You Talk to Yourself is more than a self-help book. It's a roadmap for transforming your inner dialogue and, by extension, your life. For entrepreneurs, these principles can create a ripple effect. By mastering your self-talk, you cultivate resilience, inspire your team, and position your company for long-term success. The entrepreneurial journey is filled with highs and lows. By applying Helmstetter's concepts, you can navigate those moments with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Your words have power. Use them to build not just a business, but a legacy. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Now go rewrite your story one affirmation at a time.